ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ again we have a guest here with us in our office and I told you I'm going to be bringing one of the greatest like influencers here. Influencer nekadu koodal I think I should give her the term a biggest YouTuber oru genre of oru karyathile. She's an expert in it and she is UA's biggest dance YouTuber and introducing to you is Nidhi Kumar.
How are you guys?
Okay, so Nidhi is here with me. Nidhi is a very popular face here. Nidhi dance choreographer matramalla, dancer matramalla. She's a TV presenter. She's a model. Like what else can I add now? Actor?
Actor.
And
choreographer.
And a choreographer. Yeah, അത് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. But that is Nidhi Kumar with me here at our ARN office. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ കുറച്ച് നേരം മുന്നേ we had actually told you guys that I'm having a very special guest here in our studio. So I'm right now going to be handing over the camera to Sally, okay? Sally is going to be helping me take the live video. And there we are. Okay, so Nidhi,
Yes.
first of all, I want to be asking you, you are a dancer, like inside of you, you are a dancer, like all throughout your life, right? How did it begin?
So I've been dancing since I was like 3 years old.
Okay.
And I started choreographing when I was in 8th grade.
8th grade.
Yeah,
Okay. Did that
so-
start from school, talent
From
shows?
school. Yeah.
And
So I used to
programs?
choreograph my seniors.
Okay.
And that is when everybody started hating me. They were like, why does she choreograph for seniors? But,
Okay.
since then, like my dad family dances.
Okay.
So my dad dances, my mom dances.
Really?
So we have actually started dancing, seeing our dad.
Okay.
And that is how it just went. And dancing is, I know it's cliche, but it's my life. So it's like,
Of
there's
course.
nothing I can do.
Of course. So that is Nidhi's family. So how many of
Yeah.
you guys are there in your family? You got your
We're-
dad, mom.
Yeah, 5 of us. Mom, dad, and 2 siblings, Hanidhi and Ravya.
Okay.
Both, I'm the youngest.
Okay, and you're all settled here in Dubai,
Yes,
right?
everybody's here.
Okay,
Yeah.
ശരി. So that is Nidhi's beginning. Okay, Nidhi അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇവിടെ തുടങ്ങിയത്. And now listen to her. Now where have you reached? Now tell me, you've got your own crew.
Yes.
Dance crew തന്നെയുണ്ട്. സ്വന്തമായിട്ടൊരു dance crew ഉണ്ട്. And tell me about them. How did you actually get to, decide to get a crew with you and all of it?
So basically, I've always been a solo artist, but all professional dancers get into crews
Okay,
usually now.
okay.
But in my crew, we have kids.
Okay.
Since we have kids from 11 years to 25 years.
Okay.
We have working class and the kids. Basically,
Okay.
those kids really wanted a platform to perform, but since they're so
Okay.
young,
Okay.
most of the crews don't accept them because they don't have professional training
Yeah,
and
true,
everything.
true.
So basically, I've got them in and I'm training them and we're performing and they're making videos and now they're like putting it up on social media.
Ah, so
And now,
nice.
so basically it's called NK Crew and like
Okay.
everybody's welcome to join. If you want to join,
Oh,
Hana,
that's amazing.
you can also
That's
join.
amazing. ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞൊരു ദിവസം ആക്ച്വലി നിധിയുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ ഐ തിങ്ക് her യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ is close to some 200,000 followers.
Yes.
And കഴിഞ്ഞൊരു ദിവസം I saw one of her videos where she had this little Chintu girl.
Yes.
Super dancing. Like you guys were on on a Z4 BMW Z4
Yes.
കാറിന്റെ മേലെ ഇവർ രണ്ടുപേരും she was driving and she had the other child with her standing on the seat and you guys were wearing some white t-shirt or
Yes.
something like that.
So that video
Brilliant.
just released today. So you
Okay.
guys should go check it out on my YouTube channel. It's with Vedi and she's only 9 years old.
She is amazing.
Amazing,
Like you should
yeah.
tell her, like if ever I get to see her, I
Yeah.
would just go and give her a hug.
Definitely.
ചെറിയ കുട്ടി എന്ത് സൂപ്പർ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ചുമ്മാ കാണുന്ന പോലെയല്ല ബട്ട് ഷീ ഡാൻസസ് സോ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റ്ലി
Yes,
ഹർ
she does.
മൂവ്സ്
Yeah.
എവറിഥിങ് ഇസ് ജസ്റ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ഓക്കെ സോ നമ്മൾ ഡാൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പല ആൾക്കാർക്കും ഡാൻസ് ഇസ് ലൈക്ക് എ ഹോബി വി ഓൾവേസ് സേ ദാറ്റ് ഡാൻസ് എനിക്ക് ഡാൻസ് ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ് ബട്ട് പ്രൊഫഷണലി ഹൗ മെനി ഓഫ് യു ടേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് സീരിയസ്ലി ക്ലാസ്സസിന് പോകുന്നതോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വർക്ക്ഷോപ്സിന് പോകുന്നതോ ബിക്കോസ് ഹിയർ ദുബായിൽ വി ഹാവ് സോ മച്ച് ഓഫ് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് വലിയ ഒരു ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ ഹ്യൂജ് പ്ലേ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് where you have so much of chances to try. Now people like Nidhi is there to help. Dance workshops നടത്തുന്നുണ്ട് Nidhi, like all around. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ തന്നെ ബോംബെ ഡൽഹി അവിടെയൊക്കെ ചെന്ന് ഡാൻസ് വർക്ക്ഷോപ്സ് നടത്തുന്നുണ്ട് and she's such a young girl, such a beautiful girl, and with your dance you're able to influence a lot of people.
Yes,
right?
I think that is my main goal. Like basically, so on my Instagram especially, I have so many young kids following me.
Okay.
So mainly teenagers, and they're always telling me that your videos inspire us and this and that. So now the only thing that I do is like it's only for them.
Okay.
Because
Wonderful.
now I kind of feel that I have a lot of pressure on me.
Okay.
Because because they're kids. They're not
Yeah,
even
I
like
know.
they're
Yeah.
teenagers. They're not even like adults.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of pressure, but only because I think that it's very important to take your passion forward.
Absolutely.
Like I had a full-time job too the moment I graduated in a
Okay.
very reputed company
Okay.
in 4 months.
Okay.
But while I was sitting in the 9 hours, I was literally like choreographing things in my head and I couldn't do it. So in
Did
4
you have
months,
like dance music at the background?
yeah,
and minimized
literally,
it?
yeah, I did. In fact,
I do that as well. Okay.
I
okay.
in fact did, and then I just couldn't do it anymore. And
okay.
I'm like, this is not my thing.
Okay.
So I took up performing arts full time,
Okay.
and I tried it. And then 2 years, I started at 21. I took the risk of leaving everything. I'm like, that's it. I'm gonna
Okay.
just dance.
And how supportive was your family?
And I am here only because of them. Because when I was young, my mom and my dad used to take me to every competition possible, like everywhere. And only because of them, especially like my sister, my brother, and my parents, they've always been like such actors. Because my mom wanted to dance and become an actor too.
Okay.
So she's like kind of living her dream through me.
So
but
sweet.
I was apparently the doctor said when I was born, कि ये dancer बनेगी.
Oh really? Really?
Yeah, literally.
Oh my
And
god.
literally, when I was born only, I was full drama, acting,
Okay,
dancing.
okay,
so
okay. All the natak was
Natak
there.
was there always.
Okay, perfect. So that is Nidhi. Now, Nidhiye kondu, I'm going to be making her do a very impromptu dance performance.
Oh
Okay,
my
so
God.
she doesn't know about it, and I'm going to switch the camera.
God.
That is Nidhi. Nidhi, come on, get up.
Impromptu dance, no?
Yeah, impromptu.
No.
So ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഓഫീസിൽ വന്നപ്പോൾ തന്നെ in the evening I actually made a mashup. Okay, I turned to be a DJ for like maybe 5 minutes.
No,
And-
I'm sure you must have done a good job.
Oh yeah, I hope so. So you got to decide that. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും ലേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഹിന്ദി സോങ്സ് ഞാൻ കുറച്ചെടുത്ത് ഞാനൊരു മാഷപ്പ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Now I'm going to play that. And she's going to dance to it. Okay, Nidhiക്ക് ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയത്തില്ല. നിധിക്ക് ഏതാണ് പാട്ട്? She doesn't know anything about it. Okay?
Yes, please forgive me.
Okay, so
Nothing wrong.
that is Nidhi. Okay, Nidhi, I'm going to switch the camera again. And I'm going to play the song. You want to remove your slippers,
I
sandals?
mean, I can dance. Yeah.
Okay,
it'll be better
perfect. Sherry. So,
Okay.
here we go. The song
I'm nervous, guys. Please
is
don't.
all yours. Woohoo!
Okay.
Next one. Yeah. Look at how professional. Isn't it very easy?
I love this. I love this mix, by the way.
Really? Okay, next one.
Next one. Oh.
Oh, nice. Aye. Such a professional, such a professional.
Now, I need Donna with you.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yes, come on. Guys, we need to practice.
This is very on the spot.
Woo!
Okay, fine. So, Nidhi has passed her test. No, there's one more surprise.
Have I done well, Donna?
She is done perfect. She's done perfect. Okay, so our listeners, let's actually ask our listeners, okay?
Yes.
We're gonna ask our listeners. Nidhi's performance, come on, let me see some comments. Come on, guys. I see some, oh my god. Okay. I see
That was
some.
a good, oh my god.
See, Nidhi has good talent. Okay.
Aw, thank you.
And God gift. She's having God's blessing. Okay. And let's see some new
Thank you,
messages.
guys.
Great. I've seen some great. Okay. Very nice. Superb.
Yay.
It's all coming up. So that is Nidhi's performance. Anna.
Yay.
Ini actually I'm going to be asking Nidhi
Okay.
to dance on a Malayalam song.
Malayalam song.
നമ്മുടെ ഹിറ്റ് എഫ് എമ്മിന് വന്നിട്ട് മലയാളം സോങ് പ്ലേ ചെയ്യിപ്പിച്ച് ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ എന്ത് കാര്യം അല്ലേ? സോ ഐ എം ആക്ച്വലി ഗോയിങ് ടു ബി പ്ലേയിങ് എ വെരി പോപ്പുലർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മലയാളം സോങ്. ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു ബി പ്ലേയിങ് ഇറ്റ് ഫോർ യു.
I'm gonna try.
Try and see this. I'll try.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what it means.
No problem. It's just party.
Okay. Guys, follow me if y'all are watching.
YouTube Nidhi Kumar.
Very easy steps.
Wow.
It's the first time hearing this song.
Superb. Okay, fine. So, എന്തായാലും ഇവിടെ നിധി ഹാസ് ഓൺലി ഹേർഡ് ഓഫ് എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ ജിമിക്കി കമ്മൽ,
I've
റൈറ്റ്?
only heard of Jimmy Kimmel.
എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ ജിമിക്കി കമ്മലാണ് പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ച് നിധി ഇവിടെ വന്നത്. ബട്ട് ഐ മേഡ് എ ലിസൺ ഹണിബി 2 എന്ന ചിത്രത്തിലെ ഒരു ഗാനമാണ്.
I know
സോ
a few Malayalam songs,
റിയലി
but I don't know if they are Malayalam or Tamil. I'm not
okay
sure.
okay but this is one of those dance numbers that we have in Malayalam.
Okay,
So
like Kurupinari.
that is Malayalam.
Oh,
That is Malayalam.
yeah, I know that song.
That is Malayalam. Okay, ശരി. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും this was Nidhi Kumar and നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും കണ്ടു how super talented she was. All right. So നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഡാൻസ് വർക്ക്ഷോപ്സിന് പോകണമെങ്കിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ you want to be part of a dance crew, a dance class, anything, you guys can just get in contact with Nidhi. She is 100% alla 200% into dance. Now your dance doubts, she will clear it
I will
out.
clear them all.
Right? Thank you so much for
Thank
watching,
you so much,
guys.
Donna.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.